Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Mac is ready. Check Mac OS, free storage, and that you know your Microsoft account credentials. Once done, decide whether to install via the Mac App Store for single apps or download Microsoft 365 for full Office. You should sign into your Microsoft account now so authorization is instant. Make sure to verify billing or trial choice. This avoids interruptions during download. If you prefer App Store, open it and search for Word, Excel, or Office to start. You run the installer or tap Get in the App Store and allow the download to complete. Once the package opens, follow the prompts. Agree to terms, enter admin password if requested, and grant necessary permissions for storage and notifications. After installation, launch any Office app. It prompts you to sign in. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you used to purchase or start the trial so the license binds to your Mac. This activation step ensures full editing and cloud sync work correctly. You finish by checking for updates to ensure security and newest features. Use the built-in updater or App Store. Next, enable OneDrive so your documents sync and turn on auto-save if you want live backups. Make sure preferences like default file locations and font sets match your workflow. If activation or sign-in fails, sign out of Office, quit apps, then sign back in. Also verify internet access and that Mac date and time are correct. If problems persist, restart the Mac and retry activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.